Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo IdeaPad Y910-17ISK. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your Lenovo IdeaPad Y910-17ISK aren't responding, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to dirt or debris getting lodged under the keys, or it may be a sign of a faulty keyboard. If left unresolved, it can hinder your productivity and make typing a frustrating experience. Thankfully, this is a repair that you can tackle yourself if you're comfortable with it. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement keyboard compatible with the Lenovo IdeaPad Y910-17ISK. To begin, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the laptop over onto a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the keyboard connector. It's usually a flat ribbon cable attached to the motherboard. Gently lift the connector latch and slide the cable out using your tweezers. With the connector released, you can now unscrew any screws holding the keyboard in place. There may be a few screws along the top edge, and possibly some around the sides. Remove these screws and carefully lift the keyboard from the casing. Take your time with this step as the keyboard may have clips that need to be gently released. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old keyboard is removed, take your new keyboard and align it into place, ensuring all clips are secured. Then, reconnect the ribbon cable by sliding it back into the connector and pressing down the latch to secure it. After replacing the screws that hold the keyboard, you can now reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until you hear it click back into position. Finally, replace all screws you removed earlier. Before closing up, power on your laptop to test the new keyboard. Ensure all keys are responding correctly and that everything functions as expected. If you encounter any issues, double-check the connections you made earlier. To prevent this issue from recurring, keep your keyboard clean by regularly using compressed air to blow out dust and debris. Additionally, consider using a keyboard cover to protect against spills and dirt. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.